man, that's going in the gutter. No, you angled it a little too much.
What?
You angled it a little too much.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, so close, killer code.
Yeah, I got a strike. I didn't get a spare last time.
It would have been a strike, but it curved.
It would have been a strike, but it curved.
Yes. It would have been a strike, but it curved.
Right now, he's not close. He's 30 behind. I get to count my next two balls, so I got a strike. Try to throw it too hard, buddy. Try to throw it too hard. Remember, keep your arm straight and just throw it.
What type of phone is it, killer code? Everyone, please like and subscribe. Killer code, what type of phone is it? Is it like an iPhone or something, or?
Right now, I'm winning like 101 to 36. He keeps throwing gutter balls. We got one more game after this thing. Let's see what happens. I'll try to get him to put the rails up. I don't want to do it. There you go. Well, started off good.
Rebecca, the score, I have 39. No, we are not in Australia. We are in Colorado. The score is 39 to 101. I have 39. So Rebecca Kendall asked if we were in Australia.
No, we're in the United States. Colorado to be exact. Hey there. You're gonna be lucky to break 50 in the regular going.